boy is named Outlander, and he lives with our chickens. We've never had that happen before, but we have some males that are mean to him, and they basically banished him from the rest of our cats. And so his option was to hide under the front deck and then just sneak around for food every once in a while. Or he started sneaking in here to the chicken yard and eating the chicken food so he could get some food throughout the day because he couldn't get to the cat food.